In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to work on Notepad. Step 1. Open Notepad. To open Notepad, click on the Start menu and search for Notepad in the search bar. Step 2. Create or open a text file. After opening Notepad, you can now create a new text file by clicking on File and then selecting New. You can also open an existing text file by clicking on File and then selecting Open. Step 3. Write your text. Once the text file is open, you can begin writing your text. Notepad supports basic formatting such as changing font style and size, bold, italic, and underline. Step 4. Save your work. To save your work, go to File and then select Save As. Enter the file name and select the location where you want to save the file. Step 5. Close Notepad. After you have saved your work, click on File and then select Close to close Notepad. Congratulations! You have successfully worked on Notepad. Notepad is a simple and easy-to-use text editor that can help you with your basic text editing tasks. Just remember to save your work regularly to avoid losing any important information. Thank you for watching this video.